Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Sunday dinner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kali_kitchen_1, and follow my business page, it's Accessories by Leans. Once again guys, thank you for your support, thank you for your love, I really appreciate it. So as you can see, I have my pot with my oil. I also have some seasoned flour and my seasoned chicken. I also have my gungo peas cooking. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and coat my fried chicken in some seasoned flour. And I'm just going to allow this to be golden brown. So guys, what happened is that I was cooking with off camera. And then I decided that, you know what, I'm going to show you guys what I cooked for my Sunday dinner. Some of the things I'm going to prepare off camera, like the corn and the callaloo and also the gravy, I'm going to prepare that off camera. So basically I'm just gonna fry 5 pieces of chicken, and then I'm going to prepare some peppered shrimp, some Jamaican peppered shrimp. I uploaded the recipe for Jamaican peppered shrimp yesterday. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Also, make sure you follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen, and follow me on Instagram, it's Kali_kitchen_1, and also follow my business page, it's Accessories by Leans. So guys, as you can see, I have my gungo peas cooking, and I also have my coconut milk. I also added some pimento seeds, a piece of butter. I also added scallion and thyme to my gungo peas. So I'm just going to allow that to cook. Then I'm going to add the rice, because what happened is that the gungo peas already cook. So I just added just the seasoning because I cook it with the coconut milk. Alright guys, so I'm just going to turn the chicken. I realized that the heat is a little bit too high. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn that down and turn my chicken on the other side because I don't want it to burn. Alright guys, so now as you can see, I have my gungo peas right here already cooked with the seasoning. Oh guys, I also added a Scotch bonnet pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my rice, and of course you have to mix because you don't want the gungo peas to settle on top. You want it to be all over the rice. So I'm just going to combine this together. And I also added some salt for this one, not a lot, because as you know, the margarine have a lot of salt in there already. So I'm just going to cover this and leave this. I'm just going to cover this and leave this for roughly 10 minutes. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. So I'm just going to turn my chicken because I don't want them to burn. I want them to be golden brown, but at the same time you have to be real careful. Alright guys, so this is actually brown rice. So I had to turn it down a bit and allow it to steam. So what I'm going to do, you know, brown rice take a little bit of time to cook. So I just added some water, and I'm going to add a piece of foil paper over it and leave it on low heat to cook by itself. Because if you don't careful, then you know that brown rice is not going to cook. It's going to be still tough. So you have to allow it to cook. So I'm just going to cover this and leave this for roughly another 7 minutes. Then I'm just going to go ahead and show you what my Sunday dinner looks like. So as you can see, I showed you the peppered shrimp. I also showed you the corn. Here I have my gungo rice and peas. I also have the orange sauce, and I also have my chicken that I coat in the sauce already. So I'm just going to show you the final dish. I know this is a quick dish, but guys, I started already and I decided to show you what I did for my Sunday dinner. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my Sunday dinner. I hope you enjoy this video, although it's really short. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you share with your friends and tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you in the next video. Once again, follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Once again, follow me on Instagram, it's Kali_Kitchen_1. Thank you guys.